Now, if you've added a client's portfolio or if you've completed their risk questionnaire with them, maybe you're wondering, what can I do next? What should I do next? You have a few options. One might be to go in and create a proposal. You'll see that on the right-hand side. Another would be to create a retirement map, which is what I'm going to walk you through now. So I'm going to open up Nucleus on the left-hand side. It may drop us into our previous chat, which is fine. We could continue that chat down at the bottom, but I'm going to click the plus sign on the left-hand side so that I can start a new chat. I like this option if I'm starting sort of a fresh train of thought. By the way, Nucleus will keep all of your chat history that you have with it. But again, I always like to start fresh, create a new chat, and I'll see that Nucleus has suggested a few options for me here. What I'm going to select today is create a retirement map for John. So Nucleus will think through that and identify the information that it has. We will give it any information that it needs. So it looks like it needs the monthly withdrawal. So we're going to say withdrawal will be 7,000. So again, it will take that information and update, and then you have the option to continue, proceed with the action to allow Nucleus to update the retirement map. So it has successfully done that. It's done the work in the background. And so now we can check its work and see what it's done. I'm going to minimize Nucleus here on the left, and we can go in and check the retirement map at the bottom. Now, I'm going to minimize the purple area on the right-hand side for now so that we have a full picture of the retirement map. And I can scroll down to the bottom and double check, okay, the birth year, retirement year, monthly withdrawal, those all look like what we said. So you can adjust any of these assumptions on the fly if you need to make some changes, but we have that retirement map initially created and ready to go for our client. Now let's say, again, we want to take this a little bit deeper. We asked Nucleus to create the retirement map for us, but what if we want to understand, okay, what are the calculations here? What are we interpreting as we prepare to meet with our client? So maybe I want to ask Nucleus, what is the methodology behind the retirement map? I can open Nucleus back up, go down to the bottom, and ask my question about the methodology. So it will think through that and give me some more details. So this way, maybe you'll get a couple of talking points, or you'll understand this area of nitrogen a little bit better so that you feel confident talking about it with your clients. Now, if you've created a portfolio or a retirement map or done the questionnaire, maybe you ask Nucleus next to create some meeting talking points for you. Be creative and think about what you can do next with Nucleus.